All the big ones have laid their eggs by then. And for the most part, these big prawns are actually going to die in the next 4 or 5 months. So it's very stable harvesting needs. The difference is in Alaska, they fish them in the fall and winter when they're full of eggs.
The eggs would be like this, like they'd be sticking right out. So she's either done and that's leftovers, or she's going to try and lay the rest of them.
I want the prawns to stay home.
So how's that changed over the years?
Last 3-4 years. More and more of these prawns are staying in North America. More of the public are getting out. The chefs are jumping on board. Holy